When the sun sets and the world fades into darkness, most beaches fall silent. But there's one where the night comes alive. The sand glows blue, the waves sparkle like stars, and every step you take leaves a trail of light. Welcome to the beach that glows at night, one of nature's most mesmerizing secrets. Part 1, the magical phenomenon. This isn't a trick of the light. It's real, and it's called bioluminescence. Tiny organisms known as dinoflagellates float near the surface of the water. When they're disturbed by a wave, a splash, or even your footsteps, they emit a burst of electric blue light. It's their defense mechanism, but to us, it looks like magic. Some beaches glow so brightly they look like rivers of stars flowing across the sand. From the Maldives to Puerto Rico, from California's coast to Japan's beaches, this natural wonder transforms the night into something otherworldly. Part 2, the science of light. But what makes them glow? Inside these microorganisms is a chemical called luciferin, which reacts with oxygen in their cells. When the ocean moves, waves crash, or water is disturbed, the reaction creates a brief, bright flash. It's the same process that makes fireflies glow in the dark. To the human eye, it's breathtaking. To scientists, it's breathtaking. To scientists, it's proof of how life can turn even survival into art. The glow lasts just a second, but thousands of organisms lighting up together turns the entire shoreline into a living galaxy. Part 3, the beaches that glow. Let's travel the world to visit the beaches where the ocean glows. In the Maldives, the island of Vadhu is famous for its sea of stars. At night, every wave sparkles like diamonds under the moon. In Puerto Rico, Mosquito Bay glows the brightest on Earth, so luminous that boats seem to cut through liquid neon. In Toyama Bay, Japan, thousands of glowing firefly squid light up the water each spring, creating a spectacle so beautiful. Part 4, legends of the glowing sea. Long before science explained it, ancient sailors and villagers believed the glowing sea was the work of spirits. In the Pacific Islands, it was said that the ocean's glow was a sign that ancestors were watching from the depths. In some Asian cultures, the glowing waters were believed to guide fishermen home, lighting their path like stars on the sea. And in Caribbean folklore, the glowing waves were seen as blessings, a sign of peace and good fortune. Whether myth or truth, these stories show how humans have always looked to the ocean for wonder and found light even in darkness. It's visible from the cliffs above. Even California's beaches sometimes glow after warm summer days when bioluminescent plankton gather along the surf. Different shores, different lights, but all share one thing: the magic of life in motion. Part 5, the fragile beauty. But this beauty is fragile. Pollution, climate change, and human activity are threatening the delicate balance that allows bioluminescence to thrive. Too much light from nearby cities can make it impossible to see. Chemical runoff from farms can harm the plankton that create the glow. In some places, the magical glow that once filled the waves is now fading, a reminder that even beauty needs protection. Scientists and locals are working together to preserve these glowing beaches, keeping the magic alive for future generations. Part 6, reflection. Standing at the edge of the glowing sea feels like standing between two worlds, the one we know and the one we can only dream of. The stars above mirror the stars below, and for a moment you can't tell where the sky ends and the ocean begins. Maybe that's why people travel from all over the world just to see this phenomenon, because it reminds us that even in the darkest moments there's light, and it often comes from the smallest living things. So if you ever find yourself walking along the shore and the water begins to glow beneath your feet, stop, listen, and remember, you're standing in the middle of a miracle. The ocean doesn't just hold life, it holds light. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more breathtaking wonders of our world.